In this video, I will show you how to find blast powder in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and find blast powder, I found the best way to find this is you can actually find this in chests scattered about the land. However, there is another way to do this, and to do that, what you're going to want to do is come to the dry valley area of your world, which looks like this, like the desert area. And what you're going to want to do is wait for it to get to nighttime, and you basically want to go ahead and look for some skeletons. Now, if you actually go ahead and attack the skeletons, especially the ones that have got the cowboy hats on, you will find that more than likely they're going to go ahead and drop some blast powder. So you can see there's a skeleton here, so what I'm going to do is just start going ahead and attacking, and as you can see I've actually obtained some blast powder from that skeleton. So bear in mind this is just the skeletons that have got like the cowboy hats on, and you can only get this from the skeletons in the dry valley area of the world. So basically if you can't find any in the chests, then you just want to basically walk around when it's nighttime, look for the ones that have these sort of cowboy suits on, these cowboy hats. And once you start attacking these, you will be able to go ahead and obtain blast powder. So that is how to go ahead and find blast powder in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.